So my course reflection for programming. In programming, I think this class was very much more important to me personally than management, because it falls in line with things that I want to do within the industry, whether it's programming at a radio station or a TV station. They both come. They will both come in handy. They will both come in hand to know the aspects of both, uh, especially at like a radio station. I think what helped out a lot was working in the radio station on campus. So getting those experiences and like having hands on kind of will better prepare me to know what to do when it comes time, if that time would arise. Also to know how like scheduling and everything at a TV station works. So that all will come more into handy for me, I think, with what I want to do within this industry than other classes like management, which I mean management was fine, but in this just about programming. So the format of the class was fine. The lectures were informative, and the projects and stuff, the assignments weren't overwhelming. So you don't really need to change anything about that. The only thing that I think we, when just putting the syllabus that if we're gonna be involved, if future classes would be involved in the fall fest, so it's not just kind of sprung like last minute. So therefore, we'll have everything better in order. And if we are doing the music and stuff again, we got a bigger window to like put it together and possibly come up with ideas like taking requests or like just getting song ideas from people who may attend. Like we might be able to put out a little poll or something and like be able to get ideas from like people who would see what others want to hear instead of like what we may think they want to hear. So put a better programming playlist together in that sense. But other than that, the class, everything else is fine.